Yay! Greetings from Southern Yankee Homestead. This is your first time? Welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Well, today is going to be a semi-quick video. As you can see, I got a new toy. Reason I got a new toy is because I got all my other toys here. So the garage right now is, well, to say the least, hell of a mess. But for the first time in 5 years, I have all of my tools on one property. My sister thinks it's weird. She walks into her garage now and it's so empty because all of my crap isn't there. Sorry, sis. Well, sorry, not sorry. Not sorry that it looks weird. Sorry it took so long for it to look weird. But it's neither here nor there. I just picked this new toolbox up. It is new. I ended up going with Craftsman because when I looked at comparable boxes elsewhere, this one seemed to be the best deal. I got this for under $500, which in our area, if I go with AM General from Harbor Freight, I'm looking at a smaller toolbox for more than that, and I didn't like the drawer configuration. So this is going to work better for us, at least in my mind. But like a lot of things nowadays, when you purchase them, they come pre-assembled. And like a lot of things nowadays, they come pre-assembled incorrectly. By that, if you notice here, you get a nice handle to roll it around with. If you notice here, you got two sets of casters. You got one up here and one down there. The problem is, the reason I say it's assembled incorrectly is because these are the fixed casters. These are the other casters that are presently resting on. These casters down here are swivel casters. The swivel casters should go on the side with the handle, not the fixed casters. Makes it a lot easier to move around if when you pull that handle in one direction, the wheels will turn so that you can actually pull in that direction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with disassembling this before I get it set up. Weren't even down all the way. There. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and make this big rolling toolbox my mechanics toolbox. These other 2.5 or 3 boxes are going to be for miscellaneous stuff. Paint brushes, tube bender dies, extra welding stuff, all that fun stuff. But this one will be good for any time I'm getting into mechanics or dealing with nuts and bolts. So this will be my nuts and bolts and angle grinding one, maybe. We'll see how this works out. But as I said, I've got all my tools here, so you can see my air compressor, metal cutting bandsaw, welding stand. What else is over there? Grinder. I finally got a spot to put all the nails, screws, bolts, and other hardware. Right now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set up my stereo that's over there by the drill press, buried, and I'm going to go ahead and see how that goes. So I know, short video, kind of boring, but just give you an update that I'm making some headway on some other stuff right now that's not homestead related. Oh, and while I'm at it, side note, see that little space heater there? Since we've done the insulation on this half of the garage, if I turn that on, I am at the border right now that I need to take my coat off. It's about 45 degrees and raining out, and that little heater is making this place comfortable. Yeah. So that little space heater is 1500 watts, and it can heat this garage enough that at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, down here in the corner for Celsius, I have to take off my coat because it gets too warm. That means it's probably somewhere around 60 in here. So it raises at 20 degrees. Just what little insulation I have, and haven't even finished the insulation yet. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Greetings from Throw it out the door.